my name is Khushi Gupta and I will discuss Chapter 17 How an Accountability of a Partner Can Change Everything of the book Atomic Habits by James Clear. In this chapter, James Clear advises us on how to make bad habits unsatisfying. It is an inversion of fourth law of behavior change. Just as we are likely to repeat an experience when the ending is satisfying, we are also more likely to avoid an experience if the ending is painful. If a failure is painful, it gets fixed. If a failure is relatively painless, it gets ignored. The more immediate and more costly the mistake is, the faster we will learn from it. We repeat bad habits because they serve us in some way, and that makes them hard to abandon. The best way to overcome this predicament is to increase the speed of the punishment associated with the behavior. There can't be the gap between the action and the consequences. As soon as the actions incur an immediate consequence, behavior begins to change. Customers pay their bill on time when they are charged a late fee. Similarly, students show up to class when their grade is linked to attendance. The most straightforward way to add an immediate cost to any bad habit is habit contract. Just as governments use its law to hold citizens accountable, we can create a habit contract to hold ourselves accountable. A habit contract is a verbal or written agreement in which we state a commitment to a particular habit and the punishment that will occur if we don't follow the same. Then we need to find one or two people to act as our accountability partners and sign off on the contract with us. The comedian Margaret writes a joke or song every day. She does the song a day challenge with a friend, which helps them both stay accountable. Knowing that someone is watching can be a powerful motivator. This strategy has proven to work for many because we care about the opinions of those around us, because it helps if others likes us. It makes the cost of violating our promises public and painful. This is precisely why getting an accountability partner or signing a habit contract can work so well. Here's the chapter summary. The inversion of the fourth law of behavior change is to make it unsatisfying. We are less likely to repeat a bad habit if it is painful or unsatisfying. An accountability partner can create an immediate cost to inaction. A habit contract can be used to add a social cost to any behavior. It makes the cost of violating your promises public and painful. Knowing that someone else is watching you can be a powerful motivator. So with this, we have come to the end of this chapter. Stay tuned for the next one. Thank you.